Today, I want to talk about something we all experience at some point in our lives: setbacks. Those moments when things don't go as planned, when life throws a curveball our way, or when we feel like we're falling short. But here's the good news: setbacks are not the end of the road. In fact, they're often the beginning of something even greater. And that's what we're here to discuss: how to turn setbacks into comebacks. First and foremost, understand that setbacks are not failures. They are lessons in disguise. When we face a setback, it doesn't mean we're inadequate. It means we're in the process of growing. Think about any skill you've ever learned: riding a bike, cooking, mastering a sport. None of it happened without trial and error. We must embrace setbacks as part of the learning process. If we see setbacks as necessary steps on our journey, we start to recognize that they are opportunities to learn, evolve, and improve. The first step to turning a setback into a comeback is accepting the reality of the situation. This can be the hardest part because it requires humility. It requires us to look at what happened and be honest with ourselves about where we went wrong. Maybe we were overly optimistic. Maybe we missed a detail. Or maybe we simply encountered a situation beyond our control. But the truth is, only by acknowledging and understanding what happened can we start to move forward. It's not about dwelling on the past, but about taking responsibility for the present. The next step is to change your mindset. We often underestimate the power of our thoughts. When faced with a setback, it's easy to fall into a spiral of negative thinking. I'm not good enough. I'll never make it. What's the point? But what if we turned those thoughts around? What if, instead of seeing the setback as a dead end, we saw it as a detour, redirecting us to a better path? Instead of saying, "I failed," we could say, "I learned." Instead of saying, "I can't do it," we could say, "I'll try a different approach." Changing our mindset from one of defeat to one of resilience is essential for any comeback. Another key part of turning setbacks into comebacks is seeking support. Too often we think we have to do it all on our own, but the truth is we don't. Everyone around us, our family, friends, mentors, colleagues, has likely experienced setbacks too. They understand the challenges and may even have insights that can help. Lean on those who believe in you, those who lift you up, and those who challenge you to grow. Remember, comebacks are fueled by community. When we support each other, we build resilience together. Lastly, persevere. It's easy to stay committed when things are going well, but the real test of character comes when we face adversity. Perseverance is the magic ingredient in any comeback story. It's about showing up day after day, no matter how tough things get. It's about choosing to get up one more time than you fall, and it's about believing in your potential, even when the odds seem stacked against you. Every great achievement was born from a moment when someone decided not to give up. Remember, every setback is temporary, but the lessons we gain from overcoming them are permanent. Each time we rise from a setback, we become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. In the end, it's not our setbacks that define us, it's our comebacks. So the next time you face a setback, embrace it. Take a moment to feel the disappointment, learn the lesson, and then let it fuel your comeback. Turn your setback into a story of resilience, strength, and growth. Because every comeback begins with the courage to try again.